Join us as we unveil the meticulous process that
Transforms raw coconuts into the world's finest copra.
Our journey begins in the expansive coconut plantations, where nature's bounty ripens under the tropical sun.
Coconuts mature high above, their tough shells protecting the precious fruit inside.
Harvesting coconuts requires skill and care to ensure fruit quality and worker safety.
Collected coconuts are gathered and prepared for transport. Initial sorting ensures only the best coconuts proceed to processing.
Each coconut's texture and color reflect its quality and maturity.
Preparation ensures efficient and thorough sorting.
Weather monitoring helps optimize harvest timing and quality.
As the day ends, the plantation rests, ready for the next step in the coconut's journey. Initial sorting removes damaged or unripe coconuts, ensuring only the best proceed.
Skilled hands sort coconuts to maintain premium quality.
Sorted coconuts are carefully packed to preserve freshness during transport. Proper loading techniques protect coconuts during transportation. Freshly sorted coconuts begin their journey to the processing facility. The receiving area is ready to handle the delicate fruit with care. Coconuts are carefully transferred to maintain quality and freshness. Initial quality checks ensure only the best coconuts enter processing. With coconuts safely delivered, the next phase of processing begins. Raw coconuts arrive at the processing plant, ready for thorough quality inspection. Each batch is handled with care to maintain nut integrity. Coconuts are spread out for detailed visual inspection. Skilled workers separate premium coconuts from those needing further processing. Advanced technology complements manual inspection to ensure consistent quality. Foreign objects are swiftly identified and removed to guarantee safety. Inspection data is meticulously recorded for traceability and quality control.
Supervisors analyze data to maintain the highest standards.
Approved coconuts move forward for de-husking and further processing. With quality assured, coconuts are prepared for the next stage of processing. The de-husking process removes the tough outer fiber, revealing the hard shell beneath. Advanced machinery efficiently strips the outer husk without damaging the shell. The removed husks are collected for recycling or other uses. Clean shells are essential for quality processing. De-husked coconuts are transported carefully for shell breaking. Regular maintenance ensures equipment runs efficiently and safely.
Strict safety measures protect workers in this high-powered environment.
Sustainable handling of husk waste supports environmental responsibility.
With de-husking complete, coconuts are ready for shell breaking and kernel extraction. In the shell breaking facility, machines carefully crack open the hard coconut shells to access the meat inside. Precision engineering ensures shells are cracked cleanly and efficiently. Shell fragments are separated carefully to preserve the quality of the coconut meat. Advanced machinery extracts the coconut meat efficiently and hygienically. Manual inspection ensures only the finest coconut meat proceeds. Clean coconut meat is transported carefully to maintain its freshness and quality. Careful packaging preserves freshness and quality. Regular quality checks guarantee premium standards. Continuous monitoring ensures optimal machine performance. With shell breaking complete, coconut meat is ready for drying and moisture control.
In the meat removal facility, machines extract the fresh coconut meat from the shells with precision.
Manual inspection guarantees only the highest quality meat proceeds.
Advanced machinery ensures efficient and hygienic extraction of coconut meat.
Thorough washing removes impurities, ensuring purity and freshness. Regular quality checks ensure safety and consistency. Cleaned coconut meat is ready for drying and further processing. Careful handling preserves the freshness and texture of the coconut meat.
Strict safety measures protect workers and ensure product quality.
Regular maintenance keeps equipment running efficiently and hygienically.
With meat removal and cleaning complete, coconuts are ready for drying and moisture control.
Fresh coconut meat enters controlled drying tunnels, where moisture is carefully reduced to produce high-quality copra.
Uniform drying prevents spoilage and preserves the natural oils. Advanced automation maintains precise environmental conditions throughout the drying process.
Experts continuously monitor moisture levels to ensure optimal drying.
Non-invasive sensors measure moisture content to guarantee quality without damaging the product. Airflow circulation accelerates drying while preserving texture and flavor.
Regular sampling ensures every batch meets strict moisture standards.
Once dried, coconut meat is transported carefully to maintain its quality.
Proper storage conditions lock in freshness until the copra moves to grading and packaging.
With moisture perfectly controlled, copra is ready for sorting, grading, and packaging.
Moisture control is critical to maintain the quality and shelf life of dried coconut meat.
Advanced sensors provide precise moisture measurements without damaging the product.
Manual sorting ensures only the highest quality copra moves forward.
Automation enhances sorting accuracy and efficiency.
Real-time monitoring ensures consistent quality control. Sorted copra is transported carefully for packaging and storage.
samples are regularly tested to maintain quality standards.
Proper storage preserves freshness until copra is ready for market. With sorting and grading complete, copra is prepared for packaging and distribution. Ensuring food safety is paramount. Our state-of-the-art laboratory rigorously tests copra for contaminants and quality. Metal detectors identify and remove any foreign particles to guarantee product safety. Samples are meticulously prepared to detect any microbial contamination.
Cutting-edge technology ensures every batch meets strict safety standards.
Cutting-edge technology ensures every batch meets strict safety standards.
Only copra that passes rigorous testing proceeds to packaging. Final inspections ensure every batch meets our premium standards. With safety assured, copra is ready for packaging and delivery. Our advanced packaging line ensures every bag of premium copra is filled, sealed, and labeled with care. Precision filling guarantees consistent weight and quality in every package.
Sealing locks in freshness, protecting copra from moisture and air.
Automated quality checks guarantee every package meets our strict standards. Skilled operators ensure smooth operation and immediate response to any issues. Finished packages are transported efficiently for final storage and shipment. Our labeling system ensures every package is clearly branded and ready for the market.
Careful handling ensures products reach customers in perfect condition.
Our premium copra begins its journey to markets around the world.
Finally, our premium copra reaches consumers, ready to be enjoyed worldwide.
From the first harvest to the final package, every step reflects our dedication to quality, care, and sustainability.